Just a quick review of the Empire Wagon. It's arrived from Forge World. Nice and crispy. Pretty good resin. It's all the engineer components. All the pieces are pretty good. A few of the kits come in parts though, which is a bit of a bummer. Unlike the original, that have got solid metal components, because he's the gunner, I think, and he's normally got a solid metal gun strapped to him. Actual wagon itself, $2024 limited. The new horses, which I think are absolute godsend, they make this kit really bring it into the modern age. Yeah, they're great. That's fantastic. It's probably what I'm excited most about. It comes with a nice big base. That's a new chariot size base, I think. Whatever that is. Yeah, that's it.